What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you tonight a brand new video on Amazon Kindle self-publishing. What I want to talk today is just to discuss briefly what's been going on since my coaching call with the Mecca yesterday. The target for this month is to publish 5 new books. I've got 2 currently in production. One of the books was actually based on a keyword that I found 2 days ago. Um, that keyword, as soon as I found it out, I immediately placed an order for it. And by immediately, I mean literally 5 minutes after I found the keyword. I did not wait, I did not hesitate. I went straight to my writing site that I'm using and I placed that order on a rush. Now, even though it was placed 2 days ago, I got my book yesterday. It's uploading and I am on my way to making that money, hopefully, once this thing is ranked. So, ladies and gents, if you find a hot keyword, you gotta jump. You can't wait, you can't hesitate, you gotta go. Now, lucky for me, the writing company that I'm using has the ability to rush out my orders. Despite people saying that they have to wait up to 2 weeks, I got my connections, my specialties, my ways, my bribes of getting orders through in 2 days for an entire ebook. That did pass Copyscape, mind you, so I know I'm legit. Now, the keyword that I am targeting on this particular book is so hot. It is one of the most well-known keywords right now. Everyone has a book on this, I think. Already, any self-publisher that is getting into publishing right now has stumbled upon this keyword. But I got my special angle that'll help me make the money. So, what I'm looking for, I will show you right now. Right now. Yes, I am sharing you what my keyword is. Yes, I am. Are you ready? Are you ready? Can you guess it? Keto diet. Original, right? Right? Like this is as saturated as it gets. Actually, this isn't even my keyword. I'm just gonna give you a free one for tonight because I can. Keto diet for cancer. Boom! You see what I did there? I threw an adjective there. Cancer. Keto diet. Long tail. Special angle. Special approach to a saturated niche. What do we have here? Let's see, out of all the keto diet books out there, there is 3 of them for humans, 1 for dogs. And let's see how they rank. This is a Kindle version that is 16.17 per copy. Lol. Published last year, sells hell of a lot. And the paperback, priced at 22. I just want to check something here. 400 pages as a paperback. Sells extremely well. So there you have it, ladies and gents. I just took the most saturated keyword on planet Earth and give you a viable angle to it. So just to prove it's not a fluke, let's look at the other rankings. Pretty good. Let's go back to that really quickly. Oh, it is a real-time publisher on that. And note, not an outrageous amount of reviews, something you could compete with very well, especially if you publish as a new entry. Where's that other one? This piece of shit. Excuse my language. It's still a piece of shit. This fucking book here that someone probably threw together in 5 minutes. Okay, this was done a couple months ago. No effort was put into it. Some probably 5,000 word ebook. Right, looks like shit. And even this sells like 1 copy every 5 days, maybe 1 copy a week, for as lame as it is. Okay, so if you want a keyword, ladies and gents, I have given it to you, just like that. See, this ain't no scam. This ain't no Ponzi scheme where the rich are just gonna hold on to the keywords and never give you anything. I'll give you some stuff. Just gotta watch, like, and subscribe. I'll help you out. So let me know what you think. If you need coaching, You can find me on myselfpublishingblueprint.com. If you use my link below, I will give you coaching one-on-one for a free session. So check that out. As far as the genius behind finding this keyword, number one, I'm a genius. Number two, it's from the coursework I learned on doubleyourkindlesales.com. Another mini course, another module rather, on finding special approaches to already saturated keywords. So check that out. Also, if you buy, I'm such, God, everything's on the upsell right now, huh? But hey, man, if it's gonna benefit me and see how effortless this was for me to find this keyword, it took me like 5 seconds to just think this up. I didn't do any, research or any of that shit. Like some of you out there spending a whole day looking for keywords, you're messing up. You gotta have the right information on how to do this. So definitely check out doubleyourkindlesales.com. If you buy on the link below, I will still throw in the coaching session one-on-one with me. So check that as well. Thanks. Bye.